Hi, this is Margaret with Noble Desktop, and today we're going to look at automate to sequence using video. So automate to sequence has a few uses, and one of the most fun uses is to create an instant music video. I have a song on the timeline. I'm going to press M to create a marker. Do not have the audio highlighted, but put a marker right at the beginning. And then every time I want an image to appear, I'm going to press another M to create another marker. Okay, so I've created an assortment of markers at different pace and different beats. Put my plate at the beginning. And now here are the clips I'd like to use to add. It's going to be these fighting clips. Before I begin, I'm going to change my workspace to Window Workspace Assembly. Now, this now just looks like the same list in a bigger box, but what I'm going to do is go to the bottom where it says List View. Right next to List View, they have Icon View. I want to look at this as icons. Now, everywhere I'd like this to fall, I'm going to press I for in. Just maybe it's remembering my old in and out points if there's something there. I'm going to press I for in different points, like so. Maybe here, maybe here, like that. And now I'm also going to copy and paste these because I put a lot more markers than there are clips. Command C, Command V. And on the new ones, I'm going to put different endpoints. These are rather small clips. I may run into the issue of not being able to fill the entire spot of the marker, but we'll see what happens. Okay, let's see. So different endpoints on these other batch of clips. Maybe I'll do it one more time. Command V to paste one more time, and yet another endpoint. This time I'm going to put it right at the beginning of all of them. Okay, looks good. Let me just move some of these around. I should kind of move them around because they're not meant to be exactly falling the same way every time. It would be a little boring. And if you may be having this thought right now, which is, wow, what a fun way to edit. This is a really great way to put a rough cut onto my timeline, and you're absolutely right. A lot of people, when they're making a very broad rough cut, will go into their window workspace assembly, put in and out points, and create this enormously broad strokes of their video. It's a perfectly legitimate way to work. So now I'm moving everything around. On the bottom of this screen, you have Automate to Sequence icon. It's right next to your Find magnifying glass. It's been there the whole time. It's just, it doesn't have that much play in your normal editing, so you may not have noticed it before, but here it is. Command A, drag it to my Automate to Sequence. We have a selection order and we have a sort order. The sort order is exactly what I just did. I moved the clips around so that they are falling in different order. The selection order is actually the order they were brought in to the browser initially. So it would be that order that fell when I was copying and pasting it, that exact order. We want the sort order. Sequentially, it's actually at unnumbered markers, not sequentially. Method is override, that's correct. Use in and out range, yes. Ignore, there's no audio to this video, which is why that's shadowed out. Let's say okay and see how we did. You can see how the video has fallen exactly where the markers are. So pretty intriguing. and very, very easy. I hope you've enjoyed this lesson on Automate to Sequence using video. This has been Margaret with Noble Desktop.